BMW revealed the new 2026 BMW M2 CS, a sharper, lighter, and more performance-focused version of the already aggressive G87 M2, aimed squarely at enthusiasts who crave purist driving feel. The CS badge has always signified something special within BMW's M lineup: more power, more precision, more emotion, and less compromise. In this new generation, BMW takes the compact performance coupe formula and pushes it closer to track-ready territory without sacrificing everyday usability. The result is a car that feels raw, focused, and engineered for those who love driving for the sake of driving. At the heart of the 2026 M2 CS sits an upgraded version of BMW's 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engine, producing more power than the standard M2. While the regular M2 already makes strong output, the CS turns things up significantly, pushing horsepower figures into the high 400s. This additional power is matched with quicker throttle response, revised boost mapping, and a more aggressive exhaust note that delivers the classic BMW straight 6 sound with a harder edge. As before, buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for the purist experience or an 8-speed automatic for faster lap times. Rear-wheel drive remains the only configuration, reinforcing the CS's focus on balance and driver engagement. Suspension tuning is more precise, with stiffer spring rates and recalibrated dampers, giving the car sharper turn-in and flatter cornering behavior. The steering feel is more direct, making the car feel alive and communicative on both road and track. The exterior of the 2026 M2 CS reflects its performance intentions. The design retains the wide and muscular stance of the base M2, but adds lightweight and aerodynamic elements to enhance both performance and presence. Expect a carbon fiber hood with functional cooling vents, a carbon roof to reduce weight up high and improve handling balance, and a more aggressive front splitter paired with a redesigned rear diffuser for improved downforce. The wheels are lightened forged alloys wrapped in performance tires designed to deliver maximum grip without sacrificing road feel. Braking performance is significantly upgraded as well, with larger carbon ceramic brake options available to reduce fade during sustained high-performance driving. The overall look is aggressive but purposeful. Nothing is included for show alone. Every vent, cut, and flare has a function. Inside the cabin, the M2 CS continues the motorsport-inspired approach while maintaining day-to-day usability. Lightweight bucket seats provide strong lateral support while remaining comfortable enough for daily driving or longer road trips. Carbon fiber trim pieces, Alcantara accents, and a CS-specific steering wheel help distinguish the interior from the standard M2. BMW keeps the digital displays and infotainment intuitive and driver-oriented, avoiding unnecessary complexity. The driving position is low and centered, giving the driver the confidence and control expected from a serious performance machine. Even with its track-ready upgrades, the M2 CS does not abandon practicality entirely. It remains usable for daily commuting, weekend road trips, and every spirited drive in between. In terms of pricing, the 2026 BMW M2 CS will sit noticeably higher than the standard M2, reflecting its upgrades in materials, tuning, and exclusivity. This model will be produced in limited numbers, which means availability may be tight and resale values will likely remain strong. The CS badge has historically drawn enthusiasts and collectors alike, and this new model is expected to follow that trend. For those who value driving purity over digital performance gimmicks, the M2 CS represents one of the last true analog-feeling performance cars in a world increasingly shifting toward electrification.